cables. The stealth elf. Igniter. And Dark Spyro. Yep. And this is the portal of power, I believe. Yep, yeah. Guess you just put your Skylanders here, and it goes in the game. Very cool. And back here's the envelope, but it's not that important since it just cracked. Something you guys really need to actually see. But of course the game doesn't come with a wrap. That's one thing you guys have to remember when you buy it. So I don't think they forgot something. So the book, the manual is in black and white. The back looks pretty colorful. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll be making walkthroughs about this in the future. So stay tuned, subscribe, rate, just subscribe. Just leave a comment for any Skylanders you guys think I should buy. See you soon. My next video should be an unboxing of a Skylander, so just leave a comment saying what Skylander you want me to purchase.